Bangkok is the kind of city that hits you instantly. The second you arrive, it's chaos in the best possible way. Giant golden temples, insane street food, rooftop bars above the skyline, night markets packed with people, tuk-tuks flying through traffic, and a level of energy that honestly feels like it just never ends. Like it's just on 24/7. But here's the thing, Bangkok can either become one of the greatest cities you ever visited or one of the most overwhelming. A lot of tourists come here with no plan at all, waste time in tourist traps, stay in the wrong areas, and completely miss some of the best experiences this city has to offer. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know before visiting Bangkok, including the best time to visit, the top things to do, areas worth staying in, local tips, and the experiences you absolutely cannot miss. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to experience Bangkok properly, even if it's your first time in Thailand. But before we get on with this video, if this is your first time traveling to Thailand, I made a bunch of travel guides about the country, so feel free to look for these videos on my channel once you're done watching this, and consider subscribing if you want more travel tips. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand and one of the most visited cities in the world. It's famous for its street food, nightlife, luxury malls, temples, markets. What makes Bangkok so unique is the contrast. One minute you're standing inside a peaceful, centuries-old temple, and the next you're surrounded by massive skyscrapers, busy markets, and the streets filled with thousands of people. Now let's talk about the weather, because Bangkok is hot pretty much all year round. The best time to visit is usually from November to February, when temperatures are a little cooler and humidity is lower. From March to May, it becomes extremely hot with temperatures sometimes going above 40 degrees Celsius. Then from June to October, Bangkok enters rainy season. You'll usually get short but heavy tropical rain showers, especially in the afternoons, but honestly, it normally doesn't ruin your trip unless there's like a severe flood or something, which is very rare. So overall, November to February is usually the best time to visit if you want the most comfortable weather. Now, when it comes to things to do, one of the first places you need to visit is Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. It's one of the most famous and beautiful temples in all of Thailand, especially during sunset when the entire temple starts glowing beside the river. Another must visit is the Grand Palace. This used to be the official home of the Thai king, and the detail on the buildings here is honestly insane. Right nearby, you'll also find Wat Pho, home to the giant reclining Buddha. After the temples, you have to experience Bangkok's street food scene. Whether it's pad thai, mango sticky rice, grilled meats, noodles, or fresh fruit smoothies, some of the best food in the city is literally cooked right on the street in front of you. Chinatown is one of the best areas for food at night, and places like Jod Fair's night market are also super popular. If shopping is your thing, Bangkok has everything from luxury malls like Icon Siam and Siam Paragon to more local and budget-friendly spots like MBK Center, where you can find clothes, electronics, souvenirs, sneakers, phone accessories, and pretty much everything else you can think of. And honestly, even if you don't buy anything, walking around these places is just a complete experience on its own. Another thing you need to do in Bangkok is to take a boat ride through the canals or along the Chao Phraya River. It gives you a completely different view of the city and honestly feels way calmer than the traffic-packed streets. Speaking of traffic, one of the biggest mistakes tourists make is underestimating how bad Bangkok traffic can get. Sometimes it's actually faster to use the BTS SkyTrain or the metro instead of taking taxis everywhere. And if you're taking tuk-tuks, always agree on the price before getting in. But for me personally, I just use Grab or Bolt. It's a ride-hailing app that's more convenient and most of the time cheaper than taxis and tuk-tuks. If you want nightlife, Bangkok is famous for it. Whether it's rooftop bars, nightclubs, live music, or backpacker streets like Khao San Road, there's always something happening after dark. Always carry cash because smaller vendors don't take cards. Wear lightweight clothes because the heat and humidity can be very intense. It's completely hot. It's insane. When visiting temples, make sure your shoulders and knees are covered to show respect. And finally, don't try to do everything in one day because Bangkok is way bigger than most people expect. Bangkok is one of those cities that completely overwhelms you at first. I know it did for me, but once you settle into the energy of it, you start to understand why so many people end up loving it. Between the temples, food, nightlife, shopping, and non-stop atmosphere, it's easily one of the most unforgettable cities in Southeast Asia. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more travel guides around the world, and let me know in the comment section down below which travel guide you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.